Hello everyone, my name is Simrandeep Kaur. I am going to give my presentation on field placement. This is content, introduction to Owen Hill Care Community, procedure to get placement, requirements to work at nursing or retirement home, goals, recommendation and conclusion. Owen Hill Care Community. I did my field placement at Owen Hill Care Community. It is a small home in Barrie near the downtown core that provides long-term care. It first opened its door in 1972 and has a capacity of 57 residents. It is located in 130 Owen Street. It is one of the Sienna Senior Living smaller home, and this is the website for Sienna. Procedure to get placement. First, I created a resume and cover letter to send to various facilities in order to secure placement. I emailed my resume and cover letter to long-term care home and retirement homes and deliver some in person. I did not send to any restaurants because I want to do my placement in health sector. I attempted to secure paid field placement at various facilities, but the majority of them were full. So then I shifted my focus from paid placement to the unpaid placement. I emailed Kayla Haggard, interim director of dietary service at Owen Hill Care Community, about unpaid placement. She scheduled the interview for me, and following an interview, I secured a placement at Owen Hill Care Community. Requirements to work at Owen Hill Care Community. Food handling certificate. Working in the kitchen at any long-term care or retirement home requires a food handling certificate. Vulnerable police check, COVID-19 vaccination proof, two-stage TB test. Experience. This field placement provided me with a valuable experience in food service industry. During my placement hours, I learned a lot about food service industry. I was initially nervous about working in a kitchen because I never worked in the kitchen, but now I can easily work in a long-term care or retirement home kitchen. Kayla introduced me to the kitchen staff and gave me a tour of the facility. On my first day, I worked 3 days a week there, and during my placement, I worked with the chef, breakfast cook, and dietary aide, and my co-workers was very supportive. Goals of placement: success, highlights, responsibilities, missed opportunities. Success: working with kitchen staff taught me about dietary texture. All menu items were always prepared for regular minced and pureed. Residents were served according to their diet. I learned how to prepare a snack cart and a special diet for residents while working with the dietary aid, and I also learned about inventory of products such as fresh produce, raw and cooked product, and so on. I assisted the chef with lunch and dinner preparation. When I worked with her, I learned to make tuna sandwiches, egg salad, coleslaw, Caesar salad, quesadilla, lasagna, and many other dishes. She also advised me to prepare food in a desired quantity to avoid food waste. This placement had taught me the importance of time management and professionalism. I applied what I learned in a class by using thermometer to check the internal temperature of food after preparation and before serving. Highlights. I achieved my 5 goals of placement, which is manage food handling, manage inventory, support coworker, use and support the use of information, deliver customer service consistent with organizational standards. Food handling practices: wearing a mask and hairnet while working in kitchen, wash hands after preparing one menu item, always wear gloves while working with raw meat, and record temperature of meat. Inventory: stock the products in dry storage, stock frozen products in the freezer and refrigerator, check products with a list, and mark the products that did not arrive from supplier. Sport coworker: assist the kitchen staff with dishes, arrange the dining table, do garbage at the end of the shift. Responsibilities. Responsibilities as a dietary aide: prepare breakfast cart, AM snack cart, lunch cart, and serve breakfast. Doing breakfast dishes and also a dietary aid responsibility. When I worked with a chef, I wasn't responsible for making salads, sandwiches, vegetables for the meat, and in addition, I prepared minced and pureed texture. Missed opportunities. I didn't get a chance to learn about ordering the product. I didn't have a chance to learn about budgeting and finance in relation to food ordering. Influence. This field placement influenced me to grow more in the food service industry. I got an offer from Sienna Senior Living and I joined Owen Hill Care Community as a dietary aide for next year. This placement enhanced my confidence and communication skill. I will try to learn the things that I missed in my first placement. Recommendation. I would suggest Owen Hill Care Community because it is a very encouraging long-term care facility that will teach you about every aspect of food service industry and also contribute to improvement of your personal life. They will give you a chance to work with the industry most seasoned professionals which will aid in your professional development. Conclusion. Understanding the realities of food service industry can be learned through field placement. I become a different person as a result of this placement, which improved my self assurance, communication ability, and time management. I have learned a lot about the flow of food from food storage to food serving, and this will help me advance in this field. To my second placement, I am looking forward. Thank you.